Alright, today we are going to walk through two terms that often come up in the world of business: dissolve and liquidate. And don't worry, we will break it down in a very chill manner so that everyone can get the hang of it without the legal jargon. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, when we say dissolve, what we are talking about is officially ending the existence of a business. It's like saying, the business has decided to call it a day. During this process, the business settles its debts and closes down in an orderly fashion. Imagine a slow, planned winding down of things, where all the affairs are put in place nicely. On the other side, we have liquidate. This one's a bit more, let's say, intense. Liquidation can happen when a business really can't go on any longer and needs to sell off its assets quickly to pay off debts. It's like a quick exit strategy, where the business sells everything it has to settle the score with creditors and others. You might find it interesting that as of 2021, a study showed that about 20% of small businesses end up liquidating assets as a result of financial trouble. That's 1 in 5 businesses finding themselves in a tough spot and needing to liquidate to try and cover their obligations. And here's where we come into the picture. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We have been helping businesses navigate these waters with ease and efficiency. You see, we hold the title of being the #1 third-party organization providing dissolution and liquidation services to businesses nationwide. When it comes to helping companies wind down, we can operate a lot faster than the government. It's what we do best, making sure that businesses can close down or sell off assets in a way that is smooth and hassle-free. To get started now, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to speak to an expert over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on dissolving versus liquidating? Which option do you think makes more sense for business owners? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help you make more money while saving a lot of time.